BTC backed to El Salvador businesses live on Coinmarketcap Alexandria. So guys, it's your boy Akahilz. If this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can click on the subscribe button down and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop our videos or awesome content that may be beneficial to you. So guys, you also want to click on the like button, drop your comments and share button so you can share with your loved ones if it might be beneficial to them also. So back to the news, we have deeper down the rabbit hole that businesses in El Salvador will soon be able to access loans backed by BTC. We have Acumen, a DeFi platform based on the Solana blockchain, is teaming up with the country's National Commission for Micro and Small Enterprises, giving entrepreneurs a new way of accessing credit. So interest rate on the loans could be between 6% and 10%, and this has been described as a vast improvement on the status quo. Many in Central America countries are unbanked, making it hard to access capital because they lack a credit history. Officials say some entrepreneurs end up in the hands of loan sharks where annual interest rates hit an average of 2,300%. So as an example, a business that borrows $100 for 3 weeks could end up paying interest of $15 a day. So figures suggest that 1.2 million businesses operate in El Salvador, and it's hoped that opening up access to credit and help will help foster investment and economic growth. So deeping down the rabbit hole, El Salvador is doubling down on its embrace of Bitcoin as legal tender despite the world's biggest cryptocurrency falling by more than 40% from ETH that was set in November. And on Thursday, President Nayib Bukele met with his Turkish counterpart Recep Tayyip Erdogan in Ankara. Turkey has adopted a restrictive stance towards cryptocurrency in recent years, but demand for BTC has surged after the lira was plunged into crisis. With inflation rising about 30%, it's unclear whether the talks between Bukele and Erdogan will have done anything to change the Turkish leader's attitude toward crypto. So Erdogan has previously said the country is in a war against BTC, adding, "We have absolutely no intention of embracing cryptocurrencies." So guys, that's all we have on today's news headlines. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay safe and much love.